In this video, we're going to troubleshoot a Samsung Galaxy Book laptop where the mouse, the trackpad, has stopped working. So we're going to go with the easiest solution, then work our way down. But I will guarantee you that we'll be able to get your mouse working today. So first thing is the obvious one, and if you haven't done it, please do. Restart your Samsung Galaxy Book. Just restart it, unplug it from the wall, and then restart it and see if that doesn't fix the problem. Next, what I want you to do, you may have accidentally scuffed or hit something on the keyboard to make it stop working. So on Samsung Galaxy Books, it's usually the F5 key right up here. So what you're going to want to do is hold down the function key and hit F5. But basically you're looking for a function key that's got like a trackpad icon on it. And usually it's F5. It could be another key that you could try. For whatever reason, if you don't see a key that has a trackpad, if you don't see an F key that doesn't have a trackpad logo on it, you might just have to hold down function and just hit each one of them, and then try your trackpad and see if it works. That may fix your problem. If that doesn't work, a lot of times on the Samsungs, there's a little on the bottom left of or the top left of your trackpad. There's an activation or deactivation button right here that's invisible sometimes. You might just have to hit it twice on the trackpad and see if that will activate the mouse if you accidentally tripped it up. Next thing, what I want you to do is, while you're in Windows, is go to the bottom left here where you can type something in. Now I realize that you don't have a mouse pad to hover your mouse over, but a lot of times you just hit the tab button, T-A-B, tab, to go down here and type. So type in Touchpad right here. And then after you type in Touchpad, go to Mouse Settings in your Windows. And then what you're going to do is go to Touchpad on and make sure the touchpad is on in your Windows. And then if it is, then if it isn't, then go ahead and click on it and then restart your Samsung. Now, if you tried all that, I want you to do, in Windows, I want you to do a run command. If you've never done a run command, the only thing you have to do is hold down the Windows key and hit R. And what you're going to do is go into the control panel. So what I want you to do is, in run command, type in control. C-O-N-T-R-O-L. That's all you have to do. Just type in control. And then it's going to take you to control panel. I want you to tab, hit the tab button to where you say hardware, go to hardware and sounds. You could use your up and down key sometimes, and click enter. And then from there, what I want you to do is click on mouse properties. Well, you can't click on it. You have to use your tab and then enter. And then you want to click additional mouse options. And then see if your touchpad is enabled. If it's not enabled, then hit enter to enable it. Restart your Samsung and then see if that will fix the problem. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, go back into the run command by hitting the Microsoft key and the R. Hit it and hit R. Hold down the Microsoft key, hit R, and you'll go into Device Manager. And to do that, you type in D as in David, evmgmt.msc. You go to Device Manager, and then what I want you to do is use your arrow key or your tab key to go down to where it says mice. This is basically your drivers. And so you're going to look for your driver for your mouse. And then when you hit enter, it should give you options to where you can go to a pointing device or trackpad. You'll recognize it there. So use your arrow key to go down to it, and then you're going to right click, but you don't have a mouse. So you're going to hold down the shift key and FT to activate the right button. And then you're going to enter update driver. So hit update driver. You got to make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi or to an Ethernet, to the internet. And then it may take 10 minutes. If for whatever reason you see a little yellow icon, that just means that it's inactive or it's not enabled. So hover over it, hit enter to enable the mouse. Okay, and then restart your Samsung and see if that fixed the problem. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem, I want you to go into BIOS. And I believe with Samsung it's F10. Samsung laptop BIOS. And yeah, it's F2 key. So shut down the Samsung all the way. Restart it and hit F2 several times. F2. Bap, 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 bap. and that's going to take you into BIOS, and then see if your mouse will hover into BIOS. If it does, that's good news. That means it's not a hardware issue, it's just in your Windows software. And then in BIOS, I want you to look for where you can go into the mouse options. Sometimes it's in advanced, sometimes it'll say internal pointing device, touchpad, or trackpad. So what I want you to do is find that, and then what I want you to do is enable it. So it should give you the ability to enable it. And then what I want you to do is, it's usually with Samsung, it's F10 to save it, and then restart your Samsung, and then see if that fixed your mouse problem. Now, if for whatever reason that doesn't work, I want you to get an optical mouse. You probably have one laying around in a drawer or a closet that you had connected to a desktop. Get it out and put it in the USB in your Samsung. And the good news is it's usually already able to work, because you don't have to install a driver, because it'll automatically recognize your mouse. That may be the only solution that you would want, because I like a mouse better than I do the trackpad. And then just carry that around. If you don't have one, you can go to Walmart or a store local. You can get them for like $10 or get one on Amazon. They're very cheap. It doesn't matter if it's wireless or if it is wired. Just make sure you have the batteries in your mouse, and then see if that will fix your problem. If for whatever reason it is a hardware issue because it doesn't work in BIOS, you can replace this trackpad fairly easy. You just need to unscrew it and everything, and there's probably tutorials on YouTube where you can find. And then just look at the model number on your trackpad and purchase it and do it yourself if you're technical. I mean, I could do it. It's pretty easy. But if not, if your Samsung's a little bit older, just use a mouse. That's what I would do. All right. Make sure you put in the comment section which method worked for you. Tell me what model number your Samsung Galaxy laptop is. And make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the like button. All right. Thanks for watching.